Monetizing a YouTube channel is a significant milestone that requires meeting specific eligibility thresholds, adhering to strict content policies, and navigating the application process. This guide provides a structured, detailed roadmap to help you achieve full monetization through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is the gateway to earning money on YouTube. It unlocks a range of monetization features, from ad revenue to fan funding tools. YouTube operates on a two-tier system for entry into the program. Tier 1, Reduced Access, Fan Funding and Shopping. This tier gives creators early access to features like channel memberships, Super Chat, Super Stickers, Super Thanks, and YouTube Shopping. It does not include ad revenue. Tier 2, Full Monetization, Ad Revenue. This is the full partnership that unlocks ad revenue, YouTube Premium revenue, and all other monetization tools. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you must meet both foundational and performance-based criteria. These are non-negotiable requirements that must be met before you can even apply. 1. Live in an eligible country/region. The YPP is available in over 120 countries. You must verify that your country is on YouTube's official list of supported locations. Applying from an ineligible country will result in automatic rejection. 2. Follow all monetization policies. Your channel must adhere to YouTube's monetization policies, which are more stringent than the standard community guidelines. Once you've met the foundational requirements, you must hit specific subscriber and watch time/short views thresholds. For the reduced access tier, which is Tier 1 or fan funding, which unlocks fan funding features, creators need either 500 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hours over the previous 12 months, or 500 subscribers and 3 million shorts views over the previous 90 days. This dual pathway accommodates both long-form content creators who build deep engagement through extended viewing sessions and shorts creators who reach massive audiences through brief, snackable content. The full monetization tier, which includes ad revenue, requires 1,000 subscribers plus either 4,000 public watch hours past 12 months or 10 million shorts views past 90 days. These higher thresholds ensure only engaged, established channels qualify. Once your channel meets all eligibility requirements, you can apply. While waiting for your application to be reviewed by YouTube, ensure your AdSense account is set up and linked, and that two-factor authentication is enabled on your Google account. These steps should ideally be completed before applying to avoid delays. My next video, I will show you how to set up an AdSense account for receiving payments. YouTube will review your channel. This process typically takes around 1 month, approximately 30 days, but it can vary depending on the volume of applications and the complexity of your channel's content. If you are accepted, congratulations. You are now a YouTube partner and can start monetizing your videos by enabling ads and other features in YouTube Studio. If your application is rejected, don't give up. YouTube will usually indicate the reason. You can reapply after 30 days for the first rejection or after a 90-day waiting period for subsequent rejections. Use this time to address the issues and create more policy-compliant content. When launching a YouTube channel, especially with the goal of quickly reaching the 4,000 public watch hours required for monetization, your content strategy needs to be both intentional and audience-focused. Based on my experience and best practices, here are my key recommendations. First and foremost, prioritize the creation of long-form video content. Videos in the range of 8 to 10 minutes, and ideally extending up to 20 minutes, tend to perform significantly better when it comes to sustaining viewer attention and accumulating watch time. However, length alone isn't enough. The real driver of success is retention. Your content must be compelling, well-paced, and valuable from the very first second. Hook your viewers early, deliver on your promises, and structure your videos to maintain curiosity throughout. Every segment should serve a purpose, whether it's educating, entertaining, or inspiring your audience, so that viewers feel their time is well spent. When your content is genuinely worth watching, not only will you see a rise in average view duration, but you'll also encourage repeat visits, higher engagement, and stronger algorithmic promotion, all of which are essential for hitting that 4,000-hour milestone faster and building a sustainable channel in the long run. Another important piece of advice I want to strongly emphasize is this. Please refrain from creating a YouTube music channel solely for the purpose of uploading songs that belong to other artists. I've noticed that this has become a common practice among many Papua New Guinean creators. And while the intention may be to share music or grow a following, I want to caution you. This approach will not help you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube's review team is very strict when it comes to originality. If your channel consists mostly of third-party content, especially audio tracks that you didn't create or have explicit rights to, your application will almost certainly be denied. The primary reason for rejection will be cited as repetitive and reused content. This means YouTube considers your channel as lacking original value, as it merely republishes existing material without adding any unique commentary, transformation, or creative input. Instead, I strongly encourage you to focus on producing your own original content, whether that's music you've composed, covers with your own twist, or other types of videos that showcase your unique voice and creativity. Not only will this protect you from policy violations, but it will also give you a much better chance of building a sustainable and monetizable channel in the long run. For additional questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be glad to assist.